Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin on Crypto.com with debit card. All right, let's begin. First, open up the Crypto.com app and you will be redirected to the homepage. Now tap on the buy button and you will be able to see a list of cryptocurrencies. Here, select Bitcoin, and then you can choose to pay with your fiat wallet. But under that, you can see there is an option of credit or debit card. Now for me currently, it's set to Apple Pay, but if you have already connected a debit card, then it will show up right here. If you haven't yet, then just tap on Add Payment Method and then select Credit or Debit Card. Once done, enter the debit card details and select Add Card. Once you've done that, it will then show up as a payment option. After adding the debit card, you can then choose the amount of Bitcoin you would like to purchase. Then, you can click on Buy in the bottom and then pay with your debit card. So that's basically how you can buy Bitcoin on Crypto.com with debit card. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.